everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the giant oarfish in Heartopia. So first you need to reach fishing hobby level 7 because that's when the giant oarfish becomes available. And this fish looks really cool since it has a long white body like this. And I think it's so unique like this. And to get it, you need to join the fishing event, sea fishing like this, and then it spawns from the 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. like this, and it spawns almost all weather at the sunny, rainy, or rainbow. So just go to the fishing village over here. This one, it's located on here like this, and then next just join the sea fishing 1 or sea fishing 2 like this. It's just same event. You can join this event through the NPC base on the event schedule, or if you don't want to wait, you can start the event yourself by paying 2,000 coins. Just go to the NPC bill like this, and then just talk to him, and then just tap on sea fishing event like this, and then just tap on start, and then just choose the boat 1 or boat 2. Choose the boat that you want like this, and then just start the event. And then once you're inside the event, just start fishing, and you can also use mermaid perfume or fish attractors to improve your chances. And here's an important tip: giant oarfish are usually marked by fish shadows with a golden sparkling effect. So just good luck, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!